Hello homeschoolers! Welcome to Homeschooling VNZ. Ayun, so dahil marami pa rin tayong natatanggap na comments and questions about the Huawei Watch Watch Kids Huawei Kids Watch 4 Pro. Bigay tayo ng updated video nung watch na ito. So this watch, itong Huawei Kids Watch Pro 4 Pro, okay, 4 Pro, na-launch siya noong 2021, and this has been with us for almost 4 years na rin. And ayun, so pag-usapan natin after almost 4 years or after 3 years, kamusta naman ang performance niya, gumagana pa rin ba siya, at kamusta naman ang paggamit. Alright, so let's start first with the physical aspect of the watch. Maganda pa rin siya, matibay siya, waterproof, okay? And ayun, so I think nagka-issue lang ako dun sa SIM a few months ago nung hindi gumagana yung GPS niya, even after putting a load na rin. So pag gumagana ng Wi-Fi, so through Wi-Fi gumagana yung GPS, pero kapag yung wala siyang Wi-Fi, yung data lang niya, hindi gumagana. So ginawa ko, pinalitan ko yung SIM from Globe to dito, gumana na siya ulit. Ayan, so ano lang siya, I guess siguro expired na or hindi na updated yung SIM. Ano na pa SIM ngayon? 4G, 5G, ayan. So pinalitan ko na ng mas bagong SIM, and mas okay na yung GPS niya, gumagana na siya. Okay, so I also received some questions sa iba na hindi daw gumagana yung kanilang video call. Video call gumagana pa rin using the Huawei FamCare app. You can use that app kahit hindi Huawei yung mismong phone ninyo. Ako, I'm currently using an iPhone. So, download nyo lang yun yung app na yun. And make sure na you update kasi minsan may mga updates yung app na yun. So, check nyo. Pag hindi gumagana, update kayo. Alright. For data, mas okay ang data niya with dito. Hindi ko alam. Siguro depende sa location ninyo kung nasan kayo. Pero kung so far naman, okay naman yung dito ang ginagamit ko for this SIM. Ayan. Siguro some areas hindi ganun kalakas yung signal dito. Pero pagdating sa data, efficient siya. Hindi siya masyado makain ng load. Alright? Ano pa? Let's talk about the battery. Okay, for the battery, surprisingly, kaya niya tumagal ng 2 days kung ano lang, simpleng checking off time lang yung gagawin or take pictures. Pero kung if you're going to use it to have video calls or check through GPS yung child niyo, it would eat up the battery. Pero maganda naman kasi nagno-notify siya through the app. So, yung notify yung phone mo pag 20% battery na siya. And you can also change the settings dun sa phone nyo through the app. Kapag medyo kung sa tingin nyo konti na talaga yung battery at malayo pa si anak para bago makauwi, you can select the power saving mode through the app para for emergencies lang niya magagamit yung battery. Ayan. So, all goods pa din si Huawei Watch Kids 4 Pro after more than 3 years, gumagana pa rin, okay pa rin siya. So, if you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section. Or if you have any request videos from us, please let me know. Or you can also send me a message through my email or my social media accounts. Thank you again for watching. Happy homeschooling!